Imagine taking a can of oxygen and a can of Freon and crushing them both at the same time. When a gas is compressed, its molecules collide more violently, causing the temperature to rise. If we let this hot gas exchange heat with the surrounding air, the Freon will eventually turn into a liquid. But here is the magic: once we release the pressure and let the space expand, the temperature plummets. As the liquid Freon evaporates back into a gas, it absorbs a massive amount of heat, causing the surrounding temperature to drop even further. This is the core principle of air conditioning. Liquid evaporation absorbs heat. This is the key to cooling. We choose Freon or modern refrigerants because of its incredibly low boiling point. It can boil and evaporate at -30 degrees Celsius. Here is the full cycle. Step 1. Compression inside the outdoor unit. There is a compressor. As we mentioned, compressing a gas raises its temperature. It takes Freon at a standard temperature of 30 C and compresses it until it becomes a high-pressure gas at 80 C. Step 2. Condensation next. This high-temperature Freon flows into the condenser coils. The outdoor fan blows air over these coils to cool them down. As the temperature drops to about 50 C, the gaseous Freon condenses into a liquid. Step 3. Expansion. However, 50 C liquid is obviously not cold enough to cool your house, so we need to lower the temperature further. Just like the example of the can, increasing the volume to lower the pressure drops the temperature. For this, we use an expansion valve. Think of this like the nozzle on a spray bottle. The liquid is squeezed through a tiny hole and then sprayed out into a larger space. Because the pressure drops instantly, the temperature crashes. The 50 C liquid Freon turns into a chilled 7 C mist. Step 4. Evaporation. This cold mist flows through the copper coils inside your indoor unit. These cold copper pipes absorb the heat from the air in your room, and a blower fan pushes the cooled air out to you. The loop. After absorbing the heat from your room, the Freon turns back into a gas at around 30 C. This gas flows through the pipes back to the outdoor unit and enters the compressor to start the next cycle. By repeatedly pressurizing and depressurizing the refrigerant, we achieve a continuous cycle of high and low temperatures. And that is exactly how an air conditioner works. Thanks for watching.